Hey guys, welcome to question FM188 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, in his old age, Furness takes up golf and buys himself a set of golf clubs for $1,600. He will fully pay the clubs off and the interest with 12 equal monthly installments. A nominal interest rate of 3.12% per annum compounding monthly is charged. Now, the earlier version of our book said an effective interest rate. Don't let that confuse you, it should be nominal. Part A then goes on to say, determine the monthly installment that Furness will pay. Write your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. So we're going to use Finance Solver to figure out the answer to this question. First of all, how many payment periods are going to pass? Well, we're going to use the time between Furness buying the golf clubs for $1,600 and the time that he paid it off. So when the value of that loan was $0. So we're going to talk about 12 months because we're told that they're fully paid off with 12 equal monthly installments. The interest rate we're going to be charged that nominal interest rate of 3.12%. The present value is going to be a positive 1,600 because effectively Furness has been given a loan of $1,600. He's just used that to purchase the golf clubs. So the golf clubs are being loaned to him until he fully pays them off. Now the payments is what we're going to be solving for here. Our future value of course is going to be 0 and we're going to have 12 compounding periods and 12 payment periods per year. Chucking this in Finance Solver and solving for the payment should give a negative 135.60 when rounded, which of course means that our payments are going to be $135.60 each month. We're then given another little bit of information. It says the value of Furness's clubs is depreciated each year using the reducing balance method of depreciation. 1 year after it was purchased, Furness's set of clubs is worth $1,424. Part B then says determine the value of the set of clubs 2 years after they were purchased. Once again, an earlier version of our book said 3 years, but we're actually looking for 2 years after they were purchased. Write your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. Well, since we're going to be using the reducing balance method of depreciation, we're going to be using some form of Vn equals V0 times R to the power of n. Now we know that we're going to be looking for 2 years afterwards, but we need to figure out what this rate of depreciation we're looking at is. In order to do that, we're going to take the second value that we're given, so the value of the clubs after 1 year, 1,424, and divide that by the initial value. This is going to set us up by giving us the rate that the clubs is going down by each year by taking the value of the clubs after 1 year and the value of the clubs when they were first bought. Plugging this into a calculator should give you an answer of 0.89. So now plugging that information back into our little formula, we have V2 is equal to V0, which our initial value of the clubs was 1,600, times 0.89 to the power of 2. Plugging all that into a calculator should give you a value of 1,267.36 when rounded, which means that that's going to be the value of the clubs after 2 years. If you guys have any questions about how we did these questions, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.